Okay, SP1-4, we're going to go through the answers from your workbook, and some of these are in your packet instead. So looking at SP1, number 4 was A, negative linear. Number 6, outliers, was 6, 2. Notice that ordered pair was over here out of the way. There is a positive linear association because the points follow the path of a straight line. And the point labeled F is the ordered pair 5, 10. 5 represents the bottles collected because that's on the x-axis. 10 represents the money earned on the y-axis. He earns $10 for collecting 5 bottles. SP2, number 3, what's the best trend line? And that's line B. A kind of goes opposite of most of the points, and C is above most points. 5, draw a trend line, and it's a positive linear association. It just follows the path of the points. On SP3, number 9 and 10, it says predict the time needed for a resident on the 4th floor to descend the stairs. Well, let's just look at the graph here and say, okay, to go down 4 flights of stairs, it takes 2 minutes. And then number 10, Eddie doesn't want to take more than 3 minutes to descend the stairs. What's the highest floor he should live on? Well, to go 3 minutes, he shouldn't go above 6 floors. SP4, number 4, we're just filling in the table. There were 171 pulled, so we get 171 for the total. Then we just add and subtract to get these remaining cells. And notice that the number of men that prefer cats and the number of women that prefer cats are circled. We just subtract to get 23. And then SP4, number 3, in a poll, 100 people were asked to indicate if they prefer to drive a truck or car and to name their gender. The data are shown in the two-way frequency table. Based on the table, which of the following is not true? So you can test all of these, but let's just test choice B. Men are less likely to prefer driving trucks than women. So let's look at, out of the men, how many prefer trucks? And out of the women, how many prefer trucks? Well, there were 52 men total, 24 preferred trucks. There were 48 women total, and 12 preferred trucks. So I'm just going to go through and find these decimals from the fractions. 24 divided by 52 is 0.461 ... keeps on going. For the women, 12 divided by 48 is 0.25. So, looking at those percentages, we have about 46% and 25%. The statement said men are less likely to prefer driving trucks than women, but 46% of men preferred them and only 25% of women, so this was the false statement. Okay, we went through all the answers and actually gave explanations on a lot of them, but number 4 I'm going to come back to. It's negative linear because it's going down to the right. We read these left to right, and it follows the path that's straight. Number 5 is going up to the right, so it's positive. Linear because it follows the path that is straight. Okay.